Hey, my name is Joe Sechrist, and I would like to visit with you today about cyberbullying. Bullying has been around since the beginning of civilization. Bullying is always the stronger preying upon the weak, but bullying has evolved with the rise of technology. A new form of bullying, namely cyberbullying, has become a growing problem. Cyberbullying doesn't differ much from the type of bullying that many children have unfortunately grown accustomed to in school. The only difference is that it takes place online. Cyberbullying is the repeated use of technology to harass, humiliate, or threaten. Typically, this is done through mean comments, online rumors, sexual remarks, shunning, homophobic insults, and unwanted sexual suggestions. Essentially, anything that is posted online that's intended to hurt or upset someone, regardless of what the topic is considered to be cyberbullying. So who are the bullies? As far as the bullies themselves are concerned, they come from all walks of life. Studies show that children with less involved parents and those suffering from depression or anxiety tend to display bullying behaviors. The victims of cyberbullying, the most common target for cyberbullies are children, young adults, especially girls, students, and members of the lesbian, gay, bi, transgender, and queer community. Bullies often ridicule disabilities and mental problems like autism, physical defects, and learning problems. By 2019, just under 43% of teens reported they were the victims of cyberbullying. Most common platforms where cyberbullying takes place are the mobile phone. The apps include Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat. Playing online games with multiple players are also places where cyberbullying occurs. Bullies are more aggressive. Just like with bullying, the impact of cyberbullying has a huge impact on the victim's well-being and their overall quality of life. Some studies suggest that bullies are more aggressive online, so the impact could be even greater. The impact of cyberbullying often experience much lower self-esteem, greater social anxiety, sleep disorders, feelings of isolation, lack of focus, depression, decline in academic performance, and suicidal thoughts. Some victims self-harmed, skipped classes, developed eating disorders, or abused drugs and alcohol. It also includes hate campaigns and freezing out the target out of social activities. The impact is serious. 66% of victims stated they felt powerless in their ability to respond to abuse or harassment online. Unfortunately, most children believe this is a normal occurrence and don't let their parents know. Consequently, parents are often not aware that their child is being cyberbullied. 70% of teens say the best way to stop cyberbullying is to block the bully on social platforms. Other things students can do would include reporting it to the school, collecting evidence, reporting it to the actual website, or talking to a trusted adult, or simply telling the bully to stop. 83% of young people believe social media companies should be doing more. As of November 2018, 48 states had electronic harassment laws that included cyberbullying. Most governments have balked at passing new laws to further criminalize cyberbullying and instead opted to direct schools to deal with the problem. The courts of law, in 2000, the courts made it clear that schools do have the authority to discipline students when speech articulated or behavior committed off campus results in a clear disruption to the school environment. While some school personnel are hesitant to get involved in cases of cyberbullying that occur off campus, they have a responsibility to stop anything that has the potential to deny a student a safe learning experiences. School responses need to be targeted, focusing on the nature of the harassment, comprehensive, which is long-term, versus a one-time brief presentation, and demonstrably effective. The bullying has to stop or at least be significantly reduced. In conclusion, education is the only real solution. It's important to teach children what cyberbullying is, what its impacts are, and how it can be prevented. So let's help stop cyberbullying.